Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread with honey. First, let's gather our wet ingredients. You'll need 3 very ripe bananas which provide natural sweetness and moisture. Mash them well in a large bowl. Then, add 1/2 cup of honey, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Whisk these together until they are well combined and smooth. This forms the delicious base for your bread. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which helps the bread rise beautifully, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to enhance all the flavors. Once these are thoroughly mixed, gradually add the dry ingredients to your wet banana mixture. Stir gently until just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare for baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grease and lightly flour a standard 9x 5-inch loaf pan to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your banana bread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your delicious honey banana bread is almost ready. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before you remove it. Then, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice it with a serrated knife and enjoy your homemade treat. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.